Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can pay using PayPal on Etsy. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Etsy.com. Make sure you do have your account, log into your account, and you will see this type of profile. Now what you need to do is find something you want to buy. So let's suppose I want to buy this over here. I'll just go ahead and click on that link over here and it'll open a different page. Now let's go ahead and click on this product. After I clicked on that product, you can see that there is an option over here. You can select which size you want and click buy it now. So if you don't have any personalization, you can just go ahead and write nothing over here. Click on buy it now. Then you can see that there is options of shipping address. You can choose your shipping address and click ship here. And under the payment option, if you scroll a bit down, you can see pay with PayPal. Go ahead and click on this and click on continue with PayPal. So continuing will take you to your PayPal account. You will be able to review and submit your order after you log in. Go ahead and click on continue to PayPal and it will take you to your PayPal account where you can log in using your email address or phone number. Go ahead and write down your password, click login, and if there are enough balance in your PayPal account, you can easily pay it using PayPal. So I'm going to teach it to you again. Select a product of your choice you want to buy. After you select it, you must select the size or the variations which are available. You can see that you can change the price according to the size because it differs as well. So scroll a bit down and write the description. Click on buy it now and it will lead you to another page. Go ahead and click on ship here, or if you want to add a new address, you can do that as well. Click on ship here for now. And you can see currently the card is selected as the payment method. What you need to do is scroll a bit down and select pay with PayPal. There are other options like Google Pay and gift cards and Etsy credit as well, so you can go ahead and explore this if you have these variation of payment methods. But for now, we're just learning how to continue with PayPal. So select pay with PayPal. After you select a product, go ahead and click on continue with PayPal. Wait for a while and you can see that you must log into your PayPal account. Go ahead and write down your Gmail address, your password, click login, and then pay for the product which you want. So guys, this is how you can pay with PayPal on Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and like the video for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.